Hi everyone, Herbert Flores here from IamHerbertFlores.com. In this video, I'm gonna share to you a product that can help you how to create a full-time income online. So, keep on watching. Hello and welcome to Marketer's Hub review. Okay, so what is Marketer's Hub? Marketer's Hub is an all-in-one platform helping you to generate leads and sales with phenomenal marketing product. It's a value-driven, consistently updated with the newest material. It's a community of mentorship and mastery, an incredibly leveraged income vehicle, and also a wealth builder. Who is the people behind of Marketer's Hub? So this Marketer's Hub was created by Andrew and Murray. They are online marketing experts. They become successful in direct sales, even in affiliate marketing, and now they created this product to help people to become successful and to have a full-time income online. Okay, how does Marketer's Hub help you? You will learn the basic to advanced online marketing and tactics with special blueprint so that you can create action fast. You will not only learn about marketing, but also how to grow your investment passively. You can also earn 75% instant commission on the affiliate program and so much more. So right now, I will walk you through inside the members area. Okay, so here's the members area of Marketer's Hub. Wherein on the dashboard, on your affiliate dashboard, you will see your MHUB website link. So you can promote this link. So my username is register. So once they click this affiliate link, your visitor or your lead, they will be directed to the capture page. Okay, so you can capture your leads. So they are offering a free masterclass on how to create a profitable online business in 7 days. So once they opt in, they will go to the next page wherein they can watch the webinar on how this program works. They also have a pre-module or the lead magnet, so you can share this link so you can offer the free module wherein you can use this to build rapport to people. On this free module, they can learn how to create their own story or how to brand themselves online. So you can send this through your friends or through your leads if you have an email list. Then after that, you can also access your account, your profile, your payment method, so you can add your PayPal account, your Bitcoin address, or any other payment option. Okay, so I will not give you all the details inside the members area, so you can check this if you register on Mastery Hub. Then you can access your product, your apprentice, and the master. Okay, so the getting started, on this getting started section, you can watch some videos on how to set your mindset, then the mastery method system, and also your daily action checklist, and how to promote your Marketer's Hub as an affiliate. So this is side income. Okay, if you want to earn on affiliate program, so you can earn 75% affiliate commission, and also you can get some cool bonuses if you grab this one of their product inside this Mastery Hub. Okay, so you can get the hero story formula, the 12-part email sequences. You can also get the free blog, so this is coming soon. Then a free graphic software. Okay, then a free motivational app. So you can check also the news and updates. And if you have some problem or you need some advice, so you can contact the support. Okay, just clicking the support button. So you can contact the owner, Mr. Andrew, or his wife. Okay, they will answer you immediately. That's inside of this members area. So how to join Marketer's Hub? They offer two membership levels. The number one is the apprentice level. This is $250. And number two, second option is the master level. This is $1,000 product value. Okay, so what can you get if you join on the apprentice level. So guys, first of all, this course is not available any affiliate platform or marketplace. So these are unique, and these are not a PLR products. Okay, I know there's a lot of courses online that offer $10, $12, but those courses are not complete. Okay, what I like with this program, even this apprentice level, you can learn the skills to thrive and get results as an online marketer. You can learn how to create capture pages, how to integrate Autoresponder with a drag and drop ease. You can learn specific marketing tactics and strategies to grow your business. You can also earn 200 commission on every sale. The $50 will goes to the company or the admin fee, or if you sell the master level, you will earn 750 commission, and the 250 will goes to the company or the admin fee. Or if you join the master level, the $1,000 product, so I highly recommend to grab these guys because these are complete, okay, from A to Z of online marketing. You will learn exactly how to scale up your marketing with free traffic. You will discover the secret to profitable advice. You will learn to use marketing to boost your ad returns. You can access the money mastery. You will learn how to grow your nest egg. You can also earn with the affiliate program, earn $200 commission on every sales of apprentice, and also $750 on every master level sale. Okay, note, as a master level, you can get access the product of apprentice level. So I will show you inside this members area. On the dashboard, you just click the my products. If you choose the apprentice, so you can check other modules. Okay, so these are the modules under the apprentice level. So you can watch the trainings also about video marketing, about social media marketing, about mastery, money mastery, and even the essential skills and bonus content. And you can also develop your skills on video marketing. Okay, and also the blogging video series. Okay, you can learn how to set up your blog, on how to become successful no matter what, on how to recruit people if you are a network marketer. Okay, so you can apply this training with your business. And let's go to the master level. So here are the master level modules. Okay, you can have the core training, also the video marketing, okay, the YouTube ads, the money mastery. So on the apprentice there are only 2 modules, but here there are 5 modules. Okay, then you can learn about the paid advertising or paid marketing and other bonuses. That's how this marketer self can give you. You can earn passive income with a reverse up compensation plan. For apprentice level, you will earn income immediately on your first sale. Your second and the 5th sale will pass up to your sponsor. And also if you sell a product apprentice, your customer will get also customer, then their second level and the 5th level will goes to you. Okay, that is the pass up sales. This is an additional income stream. Okay guys, on traditional affiliate marketing, you only get on the first level. Okay, then the master level, you will earn full commission on your first sale. So your second sale, the master level, will pass up to your sponsor. This one time only. There are no more pass ups, only once, then you can automatically qualify to the 250 apprentice level. There are also additional income stream. You can earn 750 paydays, because if you do this and if you promote this affiliate program to others, so every sale you can get $750. Unlike to apprentice, you will earn $200, okay, on every sale. So the company will train your students on how to make sales right away. Okay, so my final thoughts. So Mastery Hub is the training platform you ever need as an online marketer to have a profitable online business. I highly recommend this program to everyone who want to start their own online business. For people who involve in network marketing, affiliate marketing, or even if you have an existing business, they have a great support and they will help you to become successful. So why you should buy MARKETER'S through me? I have my personal bonuses if you buy this Marketer's app through me. So the bonus number one that I can give you is I will give you a digital business card. So with this business card, you can generate your leads using your smartphone. Okay, there's a mobile app that you can use and you can save all your leads. Okay, so on bonus number two, I'll give you a free video creation app. With this video app, you can create a square videos or story videos that you can promote your business or your product. This is worth $67. Then bonus number three, I will give you an MLM recruiting system plus 100 leads. This is worth $97. If you are involved with network marketing, you need this system. Bonus number four, you can get also my free WordPress theme. So I'm offering a service to you, okay? I will help you to build your WordPress blog so that you can generate leads through search engine, through Google, okay? Without paid traffic. So number five, bonus number five, you can access my Facebook private group and other resources. So you can also ask to me if you have some problem, okay? Or you need assistance in online marketing. So this combined total value of my bonuses is 463. So these bonuses are only available within 48 hours. So act now, and what you need to do next is click on the link under the video or the description, and your bonuses will be sent immediately after you purchase, or just email me your receipt. Okay, so click on the link below right now to access, and see you at the inside.